Welcome back everybody into this new video of Wordpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started and adding this great contact us page in the WordPress using Elementor totally for free. So first of all, what you're going to do is to understand the contact us page. Now the contact us can be helping you to provide a way for visitors to reach out with inquiries, any feedback, whatever. So let's see how we can follow the effective contact page using Elementor free version. So first of all, what I do is to make sure we have Elementor installed and activated from your WordPress dashboard. So if you go here into WordPress, I'm going to focus into the left part, and let's go and focus into plugins. Into plugins, let's locate install plugins and add new plugin. So I go for add new plugin, and here I'm going to look out for the keyword searched, and let's look out Elementor. Now Elementor should be installed and activated. So now that you have activated the Elementor added into the left part, you should see that Elementor is now appearing here. Elementor templates. Now, to get started and creating a new page, we wanted, of course, to go directly into WordPress dashboard, and let's locate pages. Into pages, I'm going to go and look out for add new page. We want to start creating a contact us totally from scratch. So, this is the part where you wanted, of course, to create your new page. So, once you have created a new page, you can name your new page contact us and click and edit with Elementor to start customizing it. So I wanted to make sure that I closed all of these elements. I don't want to see this. I want to focus only into the first one of adding a new page. And here at the title, let's go for contact us. And into the upper side, let's go for edit with Elementor. Now, as you can see, we are into the Elementor editor. So what I need to do now is to start customizing my page. So let's create a page structure. So beginning by creating a new section. So once you have access directly into the editor of Elementor, what you want to do is to click directly into the plus icon to add a new section and choose a single column layout to keep things simple and organized. So into the left part, we have the add a heading widget to your section to title this page. So for example, I have this contact us element that I can just delete this later. But what I can do is to add in a specific header. Now let's go back here and go for text editor. And above here into contact us, let's say, please tell us how can we help you. And now I wanted to add a form. So let's go back into add element and let's type the word form. So here into form, you can choose to add a post comment, digital forms, and all of that. Let's go here for forms. And there we go. So into my forms, I can add different elements. For example, I by default have name, email, and message. But let's say, for example, I want to add a new item. So I add a new item, and this new item should be, I go for this to edit the content. So the type should be text, the label, placeholder required, and the input type and the label and all of that. So into the advanced, what I can do is to try to change the actual label. So my label should be, for example, here, are you a company or a website? So instead of the text, what you can do is to choose a checkbox. So the checkbox should be the labeled, and I can add different checkboxes. So inside here, I can add in a specific checkbox marks. Then what I can do is to make sure that this one actually looks great. If you wanted to change the button, for example, the size is small, the column width, I'm going to try to make this only 50%, and maybe change the icon if you wanted to. In this case, I'm going to not do this at the moment, and now hit now into save. Now into the advanced section, what I can do is to edit the motion effects, transforming background, borders, and much more. In this case, I'm going to just leave this as it is and try to move all of this container, since all of this is an actual container, and move this directly into the front. So once you have done this process, what I can do now is to hit into preview the changes. But first of all, let's go and save the draft. Now that I have saved my draft, I can preview it so I can check out how it's actually going to be looking. Now in the WordPress dashboard, you can go directly into the WP forms and click into add new to simple add a contact form template to create your form. You can customize this, of course, totally for free. But once your form is ready, you can of course use this element to make your contact page more informative. You can add Google Maps, for example, to show your location and much more elements. Adding, for example, a customized widget to use this process, what you can do is to go back here into the editor, and let's say, for example, that I go for Control E. Into the Control E, you have the Elementor Finder. So what you can do is to type something that you want to look out for. For example, let's say maps, or you want to add a contact us section, or you can just use an actual page to tell you where you're actually currently at. So once you've finished checking out all of those, let's go here into Published. There we go. So ensure your contact page looks great on all your devices. So before saving it, preview your page to see how it's actually looking. Check for any design inconsistencies or functionality issues. Now, once you're satisfied with your contact page, we already go here into the contact page and check out if this one is ready to receive the inquiries. After you have successfully done this, you might be ready to get started. So we go here for something really easy. For example, here's the email, you gotta go for a name, here's a message, and go for send. And into my submissions, I should see that here I have the main submission. So I have the main, the action, the form, the page. So there you have it, guys. Actually looks really, really simple and easy. So with that being said, you can now reach to the very end of the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools, how you can add much more stuff using Elementor directly here into WordPress. Thank you once again for watching this video, guys. And well, with that being said, I continue to a broadening section of TextQuest. See you next time.